Imagine being able to double your amount every single day for a minimum amount of hours, less than 2 hours, less than 3 hours. You find a trading account, you double it, you withdraw. That's how you do it every single day. This is what I've been trying to do with a small account, forex trading, career sort of, being able to trade, fund a little bit of an account with $10, $20 and be able to withdraw double that amount each and every single day. And I've done this for just 2 days now. So I just wanted to share my success so far with it and just show you the progress, how far I am with it and how it is going. So if you're interested in knowing how you can double your amount each and every single day, again, this is not any financial advice or anything like that. So I'm just showing you what I've been able to do and what I'm doing currently, what I'm busy with, so that if you're interested in that, you can also get started following the step-by-step tutorial, this video. Watch all the way to the end because you don't want to miss any part of it and be able to actually try this on your own and see if it works for you, if it's something that interests you. So without wasting much of your time, if you're new to this channel, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button, smash that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, like and share this video, and leave a comment down below if you got any questions. Otherwise, check out the links down below to join our Facebook group as well as Telegram group where I can help you one-on-one if you got any questions. Let's get started in this video. So as you can see, this is my MT4 platform. This is a trading platform. So basically a trading platform allows you to be able to trade your funds. So as you can see right here in the corner, so this was last week Friday. So I credited my account with just $10.09 to be exact. So what I did is I followed this procedure. I followed the tactics that I learned from a trading course that I did. As I shared in the previous videos, I told you guys I bought a $10 course. It's literally $9.95 if I'm not mistaken. It's literally $9.95. I learned some of these trading techniques, trading options, but you can also use the same strategies to actually trade forex. So I've been trying one of these strategies, and this is what I've been able to do for the past 2 days now, transitioning from trading options to coming to just trading forex, because forex is more lucrative. There's more money in the markets because over I think it's now $5 trillion is traded in the market every single day. So there's a lot of liquidity that you can help you make a lot of money. And the best part about trading forex is that you have what we call leverage. That allows you to use your $10 to trade as if you're trading with 100,000 in your account, right? So this is just how the leverage works. So anyways, as I say, I funded my account with $10.09 last week Friday, and then this was at, if you can see the time, this was at 15:50, so 10 minutes to 4, and then like 9-10 minutes later I opened my first trade. This one actually canceled it, so we're not going to count that. So I opened this trade and then I closed it at an hour later at 5 o'clock, and so that's just 1 hour, and I was able to increase the $10 by $17. So that's actually more than doubling my account, because I mean doubling account would just mean I had to make $10 on top, but I made an extra $7 on top of that $10 profit that I made. So I made a total of $17. So if we were to put that into percentage return on investment, that would be actually over 170% to be exact. I think 170% return on investment right there. So you can see the power of trading, and this is just within an hour, as you can see. As I can show you right here, 15:59. That's when I opened the trade, and then an hour later I closed it, and I had 17.25 USD profit on top of that $10. Then I withdrew it. So why I withdrew from this account is because I'm just trying to double the account and then go back in the trade with that amount, because I get $100. I mean, I get a 100% deposit bonus, which means it will allow me to open my trades and be able to hold them more, because like, let's say in a trade with forex trading, you want to have a lot of money so that you can hold trades just in case they go opposite your direction. So let's say you bought and then it goes in the sell direction. That means you're now in trouble. It might blow your account. But if you have a lot of money to hold on that trade, it might go in your way later on. So that's why I always withdraw my money when I make it, then double, and then fund the account so that I get double the amount in the account. So that's why I always withdraw. That's the strategy that I'm currently using right now. So I double the account, I withdrew, then I find with the same amount. So as you can see right here, so this was a total of 27 that I withdrew from here. And then the credit, which is the bonus that I'm talking about, which is $20. So basically they gave me double the amount, right? So that's how it works. So, and then when again I deposited this now yesterday, Tuesday. So this was at 15:11, so 11 minutes past 3. and then it was credited, right? So, and then I opened my first trade so I funded here with $20.19. That's after making the 27. So I took the $7 out and just loaded in with $20, just to keep some of the profit, you know. So what I did, and then I went in here, as you can see, this is 15.30. I opened my first trade. I actually opened a couple of trades right here. So the first one, the first profitable one was at 15.37. So that's about 20 minutes later. So I opened the trade. Then I opened the other one at 16.46. That's when I was just about to exit the trade. So that one made me $3, but then the main trade made me $21. So which means I literally doubled my account again. So I doubled the account, $20 turned into $21 US. Again, this is not by any chance any financial advice, but I'm just saying this is what is possible. If you want to get started and want to know more about this, how you can get started, there's a link down below. It will show you exactly step-by-step video tutorial. It's a video course that literally costs you just $9.95. And this is the best amount of money that I ever spent online, getting some sort of education, because the best way to get started making money online is investing in your own mindset, you know, investing in your strategies, in your learning, and learning how to make money, right? So the different courses are out there, but this is one of the best that I've been able to work for me. So it's by the company, as I said in previous videos, is by Zukul Trader. Zukul Trader is a company which basically creates trading bots. So it creates these trading bots. It creates trading bots where people actually pay monthly fees to be able to have those bots trading for them. So what happens is that these bots actually use these strategies, the exact same strategies to trade for them via the bots, right? Automated trading. So this is what this is the strategy that you'll be able to learn from that. If you can carry on, before I go to the sales page, if you want to see more details, just to share more details about the course, as you can see, so I said $20. That was what I funded with my account with, and I withdrew a total of $43. So that's basically just double my account plus a extra $3-4 on top. So this is the power of trading forex. That's how trading actually works. For me right now, that's how it's working. I mean, as you can see, there's a lot of analysis to process first. You can't just go in there without the proper knowledge, because if you go in there without proper knowledge, you just literally gambling. And trading forex is not a game of gambling. It's really just a strategic game. It's a game that goes according to strategy. So if you get the best strategy, and remember, you don't just always win. If I can scroll up there, I can show you that in my previous, whilst I was still learning, I actually blew my account a couple of times. So these are some of the trades that I put in, and I blew my money at some point. So as you can see, but if you find a strategy that you are willing to put in the hours in and just to learn, you eventually start to see how everything really works and be able to actually start making some money. So as I say, if you're interested in learning this, again, let me quickly switch on to the course sales page so I can show you how this really works. So you actually get this course for just $9.95 today, because it's on a pre-launch price. So as you can see, the book is still on pre-launch price. It comes with a free video course, which is like a 2-hour long video course put into 10 short videos. So it really just dive into step-by-step tutorials showing you how to really do this working from home. So if you're interested, the link is going to be down below. You get the course before it actually goes back to its original price, which is $67. I mean, really, this is the best $10 you can actually spend today right now. And they have a 30-day money-back guarantee, if I'm not mistaken. So if I just scroll up, but trust me, you're not gonna need that money back, because it's just a bargain. It's really a good deal that you're getting right here. But obviously, they have a disclaimer. As I said, as I'm also telling you guys, this is not like a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's something that you can actually start implementing in your life today and start to master along the way, right? As you get better in it, obviously you start to fund your account with more money and be able to make more money with it, because it's all about how much money you get started with. It's all about how much effort you put into this game of forex trading, of IQ options. I don't claim to be the best in this game. As I said, I'm just learning these strategies. I'm just learning how to get started with forex trading, and it's just an amazing journey that I've been able to go through right now for the past 2-3 years now. Just learning everything slowly but surely, getting there. And now I've been able to withdraw a couple of times in profits, from the money that I've funded my account with. So the best part about it is just you can literally start with $1, but I recommend that you at least start with $10 so that you have, as I said, you need that margin to be able to trade and hold your trades for longer. So the link down below is going to get you to the sales page, and you'll be able to get started with this course. So if you got any questions about anything, just hit me up on the comment section down below. Otherwise, leave a comment down below on this video, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn notifications, join the Telegram group. We have, I think, about 73 members right now. Our Telegram group is mostly about cryptocurrencies. So if you're interested in learning about cryptocurrencies, earning money with cryptocurrencies online, getting them for free, trading them, whatever you want to do, Telegram, that will be the best channel for you. But if you're interested in more businesses, bigger businesses like this, forex trading, marketing, online, you know, drop shipping, and all those kind of big businesses that we focus on this channel as well, that I'm going to be putting out content on this video about in the near future. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn notification, and join the Facebook group. So the Facebook group currently has nobody, or I haven't actually allowed anybody in it, but just use the link down below. And then join the group, and then I will, once there's at least 10 people, at least 10 members on the waiting list, then I'll just let everybody in the group, and then we'll get started with that as well. But just leave the link down below, join the group, and then I'll let you in when there's at least 10 members, so that you make it a little bit more serious and more useful. So, I mean, it won't be useful if it's just one member inside the group. So, yeah, that's what's going on with the Facebook group. Otherwise, I really appreciate you taking your time to watch the video all the way to end. Don't forget to smash that like button, share, like and share, and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.